My video is about getting rid of the new adware called PartitionActivity. PartitionActivity is the adware targeting Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. PartitionActivity adware, once installed, starts to display a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. If this partition activity adware was somehow found on your computer, you should definitely undertake the measures and get rid of this adware, because it will just slow down your Mac performance and it will distract you a lot. So to remove it, right click on it and then choose the option to move it to the trash. Finally, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to fully detect and then eliminate other infections which might still remain on your device. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.